So, making stripes, stripe kits, and all that. We'll make it quick. This is my own yard. And before you go out and spend money on a striping kit, I'm here to tell you, you do not need it for any reason. You don't need a nice mower. You don't need anything. If you can mow the grass, you can stripe. So if you look, the light green stripes means I was moving in that direction. The dark green means I was coming back towards this direction. Just stepped in poop with my bare feet. Cool, real cool. Awesome. Anyways, this is St. Augustine. I've been working on it for a while, starting to get better. So every time you go over it, it's hard to see in that direction, isn't it? Usually when the sun is behind you, it will make the stripes more pronounced. But once you go over it the first time, you'll kind of see the line. However, you have to remember which direction you mowed it in. In other words, if I mowed in this direction the first time, and then I came back, and then I went back the other way, and then I came back, when you go back over it the second time, you have to remember which way you went. So you have to go back in the same direction over the same line. So I came back again, I went back, or no, sorry. I went away again the second time, came back, went away, and stayed in the exact same lines. Going away, coming back. Going away, coming back in the dark green. And you just want to make sure you stay in those lines perfectly. And that's really it. A striping kit will help make the lines more pronounced, but you can do this with a push mower, a tractor type, a zero turn, a commercial mower, a residential mower. It does not matter. You also want to make sure you're cutting at the right height. St. Augustine should never be cut below about 3¼ inches, maybe 3½ in the summer when it's at its peak, and you want to mow it often. The more frequently you mow it, the thicker it will get because it's less stressed out, and you don't want to cut into what I would call the canopy. And that's 3¼ inches. And it is just as thick as it can be. And it has moved its way from here all the way over. Now it's starting to take over more on the left side. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you out.